Welcome to Brainwave.
Welcome to our channel. Today's topic I am going to discuss about how we can disable the date hierarchy. To disable the date hierarchy, first we have to select any visualization. So right now I am going to select one visualization, that is the matrix. I am going to drag a little bit so that it will be more visible to you. So then after we have to select our related date column. Once you select here, you can able to see that date hierarchy will be created automatically. To ignore this date hierarchy, we have to follow few steps. Right now, as actually our requirement is that first we have to keep into that arrange format like year, then after month, then after total sale. Right now, we don't need that quarters and a day. So that's why I'm going to remove these two columns. Only I'm keeping the year and month. Then after I'm going to select one more column is that sales. That is the total sales amount. You can see here that hierarchy format is created automatically. Like first is 2022, then after the list of the month name, then the month wise total sales value. So, but we need in the format like year, then after instead of keeping inside of that year list of that month, we have to keep that year and month. So how we can get this format? So to get into that format, we have to click here. That is the format your visual. Then after we have to go to the sections that layout and style present. After that, we have to select the drop down menu from the layout. The drop down menu is the tabular. So once you select the tabular, you can able to see. You can able to see that year, month, and some of the sales value is displayed here. I'm going to do a little bit zoom so that it will be more visible to you. So see, you can able to see that year, month, and some of the cells. So in this case, if you want to ignore this total value, then you have to go to this section, right? Like in the same visual section, you can, if you scroll down, then here you will get that row subtotals. So here you have to lock this section. See that total value is gone. Only the format is here what we are looking for, year, month, and some of the cells. So thank you for watching this video.